Have you ever wondered if one tiny scoop in your morning coffee could actually help protect your muscles, ease joint stiffness, and keep you independent after 60? And what if your usual cup wasn't just a wake-up, but a daily habit that could either speed up aging or quietly slow it down? For millions of seniors, coffee is a comforting ritual. But here's the surprising truth: depending on what you stir into it, that same cup can either drain your strength or become one of the easiest tools you use to support it. Nearly 70% of older adults experience muscle loss and weakness over time, so today we're breaking down 8 simple additions that can help support strength, circulation, joint comfort, and energy after 60. And yes, we'll talk about the powerful golden powder mixed with just a pinch of black pepper that offers serious anti-inflammatory potential. So make sure to stay with me until the end. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, how old are you, where are you watching from, and how's your health these days? Drop it in the comments, I read every one. Number 8, cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for desserts. In coffee, it becomes a gentle blood sugar balancer. Stable blood sugar is crucial after 60 because big spikes and crashes can leave you tired, weak, and hungry. A half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon may help support circulation and provide steadier energy without adding sugar or calories. Number 7, cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder is rich in flavonols that help support healthy blood flow. When circulation improves, your muscles and brain get more oxygen. Stir 1 teaspoon into your coffee for a light, mocha-style flavor that may help you feel more alert and energized without the sugar of hot chocolate mixes. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. Coconut oil and MCT oil turn into ketones, a clean energy source your brain and muscles can use when they don't tolerate sugar as well anymore. Start with just a teaspoon, blend it into hot coffee so it turns creamy, not oily. Many people notice steadier energy and fewer cravings throughout the day. Number 5, milk or soy milk. A splash of milk or soy milk adds complete protein, especially leucine, the amino acid that tells your body to maintain muscle. After 60, that signal becomes weaker. So even 4 to 6 grams of added protein in your coffee can help support strength and recovery. Number 4, collagen powder. Collagen powder isn't just for skin, it supports joints, tendons, and connective tissue, because natural collagen declines with age. Stirring a scoop into hot coffee gives your body the raw materials it needs to move comfortably. Most people notice easier movement and less stiffness with consistent use. Number 3, whey protein. Whey protein is a powerhouse for seniors. As we age, we experience something called anabolic resistance, meaning the body needs more protein to trigger muscle repair. A scoop of unflavored whey isolate dissolves smoothly into hot coffee and creates a simple, protein-rich breakfast that supports strength and balance. Number 2, ground chia seeds. Ground chia seeds add fiber, omega-3s, and plant protein, all of which help support digestion, joint comfort, and steady energy. Grind them first so your body can absorb the nutrients, then stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons for a creamy, nutty texture. Number 1, turmeric with black pepper. And number 1, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper boosts absorption dramatically, making the combination much more effective. Stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric with a tiny pinch of pepper into your coffee. If the taste feels strong, a little cinnamon or honey helps balance it out. This simple duo may help calm inflammation, support joints, and promote overall comfort as you age. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice. Everyone's health is different, so talk with your doctor, especially if you have chronic conditions or take medication. Here's a quick recap of the 8 additions: cinnamon, cocoa powder, coconut or MCT oil, milk or soy milk, collagen powder, whey protein, ground chia seeds, turmeric with black pepper. You don't need all 8. Start with 1 or 2 and see how your body responds. Now tell me in the comments, which one will you try first: cinnamon, collagen, chia, or turmeric? If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more science-based tips to stay strong and independent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.